we're going to explain how to activate extensions in Incognito Mode. Incognito Mode, or private browsing, is designed to prevent your browsing history and other data from being saved. However, this often means extensions are disabled by default, as they can access and potentially store data. But don't worry, there are ways around this. Here's how to manage your extensions in Incognito Mode. 1. Understanding extension permissions. First, it's crucial to understand that not all extensions work in Incognito Mode. Some extensions are designed to not function in Incognito Mode to protect your privacy. Check the extension's description or settings. It might explicitly state whether it supports Incognito Mode. If it doesn't specifically say it works in Incognito Mode, it likely won't. 2. Allowing extensions in Incognito Mode, Chrome. In Google Chrome, open the extensions page usually by typing Chrome/extensions in the address bar. You'll see a toggle switch labeled Allow in Incognito. Simply flip this switch to the on position for any extension you want to use while browsing privately. This will specifically enable that extension when you open an Incognito window. After enabling, close and reopen your Incognito window for the changes to take effect. If you don't see the toggle switch, it might mean the extension's developer hasn't enabled this functionality. 3. Allowing extensions in Incognito Mode, other browsers. The process is similar for other browsers like Firefox, Edge, and Brave, but the exact location of the settings and wording might vary slightly. Generally, you'll find the extension settings within the browser's main settings menu, often under Extensions or Add-ons. Look for an option to enable extensions in Incognito or Private Browsing Mode. Each browser will have its own user interface. Refer to your browser's help documentation if you are unsure where these settings are. Extension compatibility. Even if you enable an extension for Incognito Mode, it might not function fully. The extension's functionality might be limited to avoid compromising the privacy that Incognito Mode is meant to provide. Some features that rely on data storage or persistent settings may still be unavailable. Keep this in mind if certain features aren't working as expected. Security considerations. Remember that enabling extensions in Incognito Mode does compromise some of the privacy benefits of incognito browsing. Only enable extensions from trusted sources and only if absolutely necessary. Be mindful of the permissions each extension requests and avoid enabling extensions that seem suspicious or ask for excessive permissions. By following these steps, you can effectively manage which extensions work in your Incognito Mode, allowing you to access necessary tools while still maintaining a degree of privacy. Always prioritize security and only enable extensions from reputable sources to minimize potential risks. Remember to check each extension individually as their support for Incognito Mode can differ.